My name is Sofia Lyfar and Bellydance. I'm from Ukraine and I'm so happy to see you in my third lesson of my new project Bellydance from Zero to Infinity. And today we are going to remind our two last lessons in which we have learned basic accents from side to side and basic accents up, down. And also, I'm going to give you 3 combinations which you can use in your improvisations, in your choreographies. Let's start from warming up. Let's go! and basic accents up, down. Let's start from side to side. I stand on left leg, my right leg is close to the left and it's on top. And I have close position of my legs. And now to make accent to the right side, I need to stretch my right knee. And stretch it, stretch it, stretch it, stretch it, and stretch. And to another side, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Don't forget to make your belly button and your lower back in. It's very important. It makes your amplitude of your movement more bigger, and it is healthier. And now let's make side, 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 side. So let's start from accent to the right. Accent, stretch, stretch right, stretch left, stretch right knee, stretch left knee, stretch right, stretch left, stretch right, stretch left. And arms position, let's make it horizontal. Now let's make it fast. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Stretch, 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 stretch. And now about up, down. About accents up, down. Now I stand on left leg. My right leg is in front of left. I have close position of my legs. My right leg is stand on top. And now I will make accent with my right hip up. So, to make accent with my right hip up, I need to bend my left knee. Bend it, bend it, bend it, bend it, bending, bending, and again bending, and bending. And another leg. Now I make accent up with my left hip. To make it, I need to bend my right knee. Bend, and 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 bend. Okay, great. Now let's make accent down. To make accent down, we need to stretch. Now I make accent down with my right hip, and to make it, I need to stretch my left knee. So I was here, and now stretch, stretch it, stretch, 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 stretch. Another leg, and stretch, 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 and stretch, 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 stretch. And also we did accent here. It is similar with accent up down, the same, but in different direction. Here is my leg. My legs are in horizontal position. So to make accent up, I again need to bend my knee. To make accent down, to stretch it. Bend, stretch, bend, stretch, bend, stretch, bend. Another bend, stretch, bend, stretch, bend, stretch, bend, stretch. Okay, now let's go to the combinations. So, first level combination. You can use it in your improvisations, in your choreographies. Let's start from right hip. Look how it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's easy. So what I'm making? I'm making accents up, down 4 times. So up, down, and then I'm making accents up, but not only in front, not only forward, in different directions. So forward, diagonal, horizontal, and again forward. Let's make it slowly. Don't forget to make your lower back in and to make close position of your legs. And so let's start. So up, down, forward, diagonal, horizontal, forward. And another leg. Let's try. And up, down, forward, diagonal, horizontal, forward. And again, up, down, forward, diagonal, horizontal, forward. Don't forget that all of my moves I'm making with my knee. So when I make accent up, I'm bending it, accent down, stretching. Let's make it fast to 2 legs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 2 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And another leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And about my arms are here. Here in first. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm making one of my arms. I'm making my right arm up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Another leg the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great, let's go to next combination. Second level combination. It looks like this. Okay, let's start learning. First, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm making double accents to one side and to another. So first I'm making accents to right side. 1, 2. Look to my knee, it's very important. When I'm making the first accent, it's stretching. But when I'm making second, I need to make a little preparation. It must be little bend. And second accent. Again, first, bend, second. Again, first, bend, stretch. And last time, stretch, bend, stretch. So first I'm making it to right side and then I will make it to left. I'm going to make it to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But it's not 8, it's only 4 times. Let's make it in temp, in faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. My lower back is always in. Because if I will make it like this, what will be? 1, 2, 3, 4. My movement is like something somewhere back, in back side. 1, 2, 3, 4. But when I make my lower back and lower bottom in, my movement will be in right amplitude. 1, 2, 3, 4. And audience can watch it clearly. So first 4 times we did. And what is second 4 times? We was here and I'm making horizontal accent up, horizontal accent up. It's easy. We did it in last lesson and we did it in last slide. So let's make it up. When I'm making up, I'm bending my knee. Then I'm changing my leg and again up with bend knee. And let's make it all together. First slowly, then faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now I will make it fast. I'm going to make it fast. You can make it fast too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And my arms, I'm making it all times here. Horizontal position with open palms. And third level. And now the third level combination, I think it's the hardest one. Look how it looks like. Okay, let's learn it. First, I'm making accent to the right side. I'm making it by stretching my right knee. When I made it, I'm making accent up with my left hip. I'm making it by bending my right knee. Let's make it together. 1, 2. So, stretch, bend. And again, stretch, bend. Then, when I'm here, I'm making 2 accents down with my left hip. 1, 2. 4. Stretch, bend, stretch, stretch. It's easy, you need practice to make it clearly. 1, 2, 3, 4. And to another side, the same. Then accent to the left by stretching my left knee. Then accent up with my right hip by bending my left knee. And then 2 accents with my right hip by stretching my left knee. 1, 2. And now look to my knees. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here my legs have close position. It's more beautiful, not like this, like this. Let's make it together slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stretch, bend, stretch, stretch. And stretch, bend, stretch, stretch. Accent up, down, down. And now let's make it faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And my arms, I'm making it here. First 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you can make it going up. Or you can make it going down. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How you like? So you can make your combination with your variation of these movements. And I see you next time. Kisses from Ukraine.